Alright, so hi guys. Good morning, good evening, and good afternoon to all our viewers right now. Okay, so this time I'm going to present you a do-it-yourself. So I did this tower by myself. This is a fiberglass material. Okay, so basically this just works like a computer, but the best part of this is it's a computers, four physical computers in one um, tower casing. All right, so there you go. As you can see, we have one, two, three, and then one more down, four. All right, there you go. So um, this is down below. I will just post the what do you call that, uh, dimensions of these materials. Okay, so I will not be showing to you the process of how I made it, how the process of how I cut the fiberglasses, how I bore holes here, and how I cut these ones here. But measurements will be posted down below, because I'm sure that you will not really watch how I cut these fiberglasses, but I'm really sure that you will just fast forward it to the actual. All right, so one thing I'm gonna show you is how to use a KVM switch. KVM switch is a keyboard video mouse switch. So basically it will function as a switch, basically. But the purpose of that is for us to space save, for us to space resources. Okay. So the benefit of that is you will just be using one monitor, one keyboard, and one mouse. And later I will be showing to you how I made it. All right. So there you go, guys. So this one is a do-it-yourself computer casing for four computers. All right. So there you go. So as you can see there, all right. There you go. Okay, so this is basically how a KVM works. Right, so all the pieces are connected there. So when you press the switch button, it just automatically transfers you to um, there to one of the computers. So that's four sets. So this just transfers you to control all the four computers. Okay, there you go. And there, right? Alright, so we have here also my DIY control panel. So these ones are the start. The first one is the start power button, reset button, and the um, green LED is the power LED, and then the red one is the HDD LED. So HDD LED is um, one that notifies you or symbolizes that the computer is reading the um, hard disk. Okay. All right, so there you go, guys. That's our DIY, do-it-yourself computer tower. Yes. So basically, the purpose of the KVM switch is for us to um, minimize a space. So instead of using four keyboard, four mouse, four monitor for those four computers, it just allows you to use one monitor, one keyboard, and one mouse. So basically, you cannot you can control one computer at a time. Okay, so you just use the KVM switch to switch your controls to one computer to another. Right, so there you go, guys. So basically, this is I made that for you know for us to support fellow small YouTubers. Right, so that's it now. So please don't forget to
like and subscribe and hit the bell button. And yeah, my phone is putting in my channel because I just started my channel a few years ago.
no, not a few years ago, a few months ago.
A few months ago, and I only have so little videos.
Okay, so this would be in my channel first. Okay. The second one, the unboxing one, will be on your channel. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So once again, you are.
Sensible and Shuttercaptured.
So bye, and again, please don't forget to
like, subscribe, and hit the bell button. And actually, wait, in the next episode, we are gonna secretly to my mom.
Okay. Bye, guys.
Yeah, we're gonna on